everybody, my name is Anna and I'm here with Fun Sock Creations. Today we've got a really fun tutorial for you to create Super Bowl socks to support your team of choice. We have an interesting situation this year in that the teams have the same colors, red and gold and white. But since the Kansas City Chiefs are going to be wearing their red uniforms, we've done mostly red and yellow for them. And with the 49ers wearing the white uniform, we've done predominantly a white with some splashes of red and some gold accents. We're showing you one of each and you get to choose which team socks you're going to wear. You'll need the following supplies to make your team socks. To begin, get the socks thoroughly wet and then squeeze out all the excess water until they are just damp. We're going to just fold the sock vertically. Start with a rubber band on the top. The tighter you make it, the less color that will leak through. Then we're going to do a fairly large stretch of the red. So now this will be yellow. Their gold is kind of a really yellow gold. Then do the large stretch of the red. So just remember, big red, small yellow, big red, small yellow. And continue that pattern until you get to the toe of the sock. To make the 49er sock, you'll do the following. Most socks come out of the package like this, but you're going to turn it so that the front of the sock is all facing you, and so then the heel is at the bottom of the sock. And then what you'll do is just a fan fold by folding little tiny folds from the bottom all the way to the top. Keep track of what side is the front of the sock. So I'm going to do red on the inside, white on the outside. Go ahead and prepare your die according to the directions. To make the 49er sock, remember you were keeping track of which side was the front. So right now I have the front facing up and I'm just going to do half red. Then carefully put that into a plastic bag. If you're doing two socks, you can put them in the same bag, just keep the red on the red, and then let those sit for 24 hours. For the Kansas City Chiefs, you'll need your red and a goldish yellow. This is actually my second sock that I did because I actually messed up on the first. Had to redo it. Make sure you skip where you're supposed to skip. Flip it over. And then do the red in the larger spaces. I like to place these longer ones in plastic wrap. You don't want these colors to mix, and so this plastic wrap helps with that. And then I just throw it inside a grocery bag and let that sit for at least 24 hours.
After the desired time, run the socks under cool water until the water runs clear. Then if you'd like to, you can throw them in the washing machine and then dry them either in the dryer or laying flat. Once dry, you can embellish. For the 49ers, I just brushed some of the gold puff paint onto the socks, then let that dry. And for the Chiefs, I used black fabric marker and wrote "Go Chiefs." Just use your creativity to create a look you love.
Best of luck to you and your team of choice during the Super Bowl. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment below, or share our video, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye!